Welcome to Papa Junk Shop. Well, the Venlab people got a hold of me and wanted me to check out their clamp meter, VC-600D. It's a category 3, 600 volt clamp meter. And any of you that follow my channel know that they sent me this meter previously, and it's become my favorite. I use it all the time and really like it. So I'm thinking that this is probably going to be a good one too. So let's check her out. Okay, so we got the meter. We got some batteries. Got some leads, temperature probe, and a case. Oh, and the case has got a little spot here for your, because it's nice to have this right with it, because if you want to refer to it, I always got to go hunt for my other one someplace, so this one will be nice, it'll be right there. So let's take a quick look at this. What we got? We got multiple languages. So English is from 1 to 20 apparently. So introduction, product overview, symbols, function buttons, operation instructions, showing you how to use the clamp portion, AC/DC measurement, resistance measurement, diode test, continuity test, capacitance measurements, frequency, duty cycle, temperature measurement, non-contact AC voltage detection, and there's the specifications, maintenance, and then we go into different language. So let's get into checking this baby out. Let's get some batteries in it. It takes double A's, which I like. And we have a threaded screw holding the battery cover in, so that means that there must be an insert down in there, which is good, so it's not just going into the plastic. So okay, we got a protective cover on there. Okay, non-contact voltage, first one. Second one is 60 amps. Second one is up to 1000 amps. 750 volts AC, 1000 DC. In hertz. It's in blue. Okay. Capacitance, diode check, continuity check, and ohms. Hertz and duty cycle. And temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Function button would be to select once you get to one of these points. This would select hertz or percentage. It's got a hold feature, and the 0 would be for, I'm thinking, the amp meter. And you just got your 2 lead inputs. So let me get these babies unwrapped and we'll put her to the test. Okay, got the leads unwrapped, and I measured both the temperature sensor nays, and they're about 1 meter long. So we got some protective caps on here, which are pretty nice. And yeah, we got some pretty good tips on there. So let's okay, let's go with some voltage. Okay, so we're on AC volts. Let's see if I can zoom in a little. It's got a pretty nice display. Nice and clear. So I'll just stick this in the outlet. I got 114 volts. This is running off my Palmister inverter for the shop here. So let's see. We push this, does it show us hertz? Yes. Okay, we got 60.02 hertz. If I push it again, it gives you percentage. Okay. Push it again, go back to volts. Yep. Okay. So let's check out some DC voltage here. I got a little power supply here. We'll fire that up. And usually got a light bulb right in here someplace. There it is. An old 12-volt light bulb. So let's see. Okay, got the power supply set for 12 volts exactly, and I'm going to measure up here right at the power supply. That's on AC, so we have to pick DC. Okay, there we go. Get the DC symbol here. Auto ranging. And measures 12.02. Okay. So that's AC/DC voltage. Okay, let's do some amperage reading while we got that light bulb hooked up. Let's see. Let's go right to 1,000 range. This will be DC. So we hit the function button, change it to DC. And then we'll hit the 0 button to 0 it out. Okay. And then you stick one lead through the clamp. If you put both leads through, you won't get anything. And power supply says 2 amps, and that's what this is showing. So let's switch it to the 60 amp, which should give us a little better. Make sure it's 0. Give us more accurate reading on the low. No, I didn't pick DC when I switched it. So there we go. So when I switched it, I didn't 0 it. So this is a learning curve. Maybe I'm trying too hard. Yep, I'm trying too hard. There we go. 2.01. So that's more accurate on that low amperage. Okay. We'll try the AC section at another point and some higher DC ratings too. So let's go to down here to the ohm section. So what have I got laying around here? Let's see. Okay, here's a resistor I use for pre-charging. It's a 25 ohm, and when it goes on ohms, it's auto range. So let's see what we get here. 25.6. Okay. So our next function is the continuity. Okay, nice audible beep. Okay, next function is capacity. Let's see, what have I got right here? Okay, I got one that I saved out of something here. And of course this is going to be polarity sensitive because it's electrolytic, so put the negative lead on one side, positive on the other. Takes it a minute to charge. And okay, this is a 220, and that's what it showed. So that seems to work good. And diode test. Okay. I'm gonna go get a diode. I'll be right back. Okay, I just grabbed the first diode I came to. So I've got it on the diode function, and one way it should read and the other way it shouldn't. Okay, so we're showing nothing there, so it's not shorted. And we switch the leads around, and we show a 0.5. So diode function works fine. Okay, so let's do the temperature probe. Well, they fit in there nice and snug. Okay, so showing 16 Celsius. And I'm guessing we push that. Okay, 61 degrees Fahrenheit. So let me touch her with my fingers. It's going up. Of course, my fingers aren't very warm either. So I still got this little light bulb running here. Let's just get it near that once. There we go. Reacts pretty quick. Okay. And it has an auto off function too. So you don't have to worry about it killing your batteries if you forget to turn it off like I do all the time. So let's go check some AC amperage with some wires where I can get at, and maybe some DC stuff. Maybe we'll take a trip out to the solar panels and see how they're doing. Out here with my other off-grid inverter, and I've got some temporary wiring because we're going to do some upgrading, so real easy to get to the AC stuff. So Right now it says I got 9.03 amps according to this. And I got the meter all set. 9.0706. So pretty darn accurate. And let's see, let's do the non-contact voltage sensor, which is the right hand side of the probe. You can see the symbol right there. There you go. You get a beep and a light. Okay, so let's go out and do some, well, we can do some right here, can't we? DC measurement, amperage. So let's see what we're using DC wise here. Pick DC, hit the 0, and we go on this nice big fat cable here. So 24.6 amps DC going into the inverter from the battery. And we can do some lighter load testing here too. Let's see, here we've got come on, 12, 13 amps about. This is going to be switching back and forth a little bit, so let's see. Yeah, that's showing 16. Of course, that was in, so yeah, we got 16 amps, 15 amps. Of course, with the sun, you know, it's changing constantly, so I'm liking it so far. Seems to be easy, pretty straightforward. You know, I didn't read the manual, and I'm able to run it, so see what else we can find to check out. Okay, so I came out to the solar panels. It's, you know, bright outside. Let's see how this display looks out here. We'll just still on DC. So we've got 8.4 amps coming from this. What is there? 4 panels here in series. So, and you can see that display is nice and clear, easy to read, even out here in the bright. So I'm thinking this is going to be my favorite clamp meter now. And I've got several others. One that does DC and one that does AC. This does both. So I think I can, you know, replace those with this 1 meter. And my other ones, of course, have analog meters on them. So, you know, this is going to give me a lot more accurate readings. I'm liking it really well. So, if you guys think you like it, I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can get one of these. I'd like to thank the Venlab people for sending me one to check out. I've been really happy with their other meter, and the quality seems really nice. Everything's easy to read and straightforward to use. So I really like it. So if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do if you'd like to see more of this kind of stuff. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Here's my old school ones. This one's going to be my new go-to meter.